Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth not connecting in your OPPO Reno 15. The first thing that you should do is to go straight to your phone's settings over here. Now when you are here you need to go to the Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once you're here and Bluetooth is enabled, disable it and enable it back again. Now after that your Bluetooth should be working. If it isn't and you do have your Bluetooth device paired but not connected, tap on this device and tap forget or Unpair. Once this process is done, you need to now do a factory factory reset of your Bluetooth device. For example, if you do have speaker, do a factory reset of your speaker. In every other case, just factory reset your Bluetooth device, and this should be working for you. If it still doesn't work, you need to now hold the power and volume up and drag it to restart your device. This should be working for you now. But if it still doesn't work for you, you need to now contact device support because your Bluetooth module may be just broken and you need your phone repaired. The repair will be free if you do have your phone on the warranty. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye.